What's up, it's your boy Mikeyyywill here. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please do. We got more content like this coming soon, but right here in this video, I'm just giving y'all a quick update on how the electric ATV is doing. Right now, I got a new chain, new rear rotor, new axle, because I think my other one was bent because it just kept wobbling. Some new hubs, everything seems pretty good. Put the plastics on, they're not fully tightened down yet, because I want to make sure all the wires fit. And I'm still waiting on my one homie to come through and help me weld up just like a tiny little bracket so I can put like a little door there that opens and closes. But I just want to take you guys on a quick little ride what this thing is about to do. About maybe half charge here, so don't know what we're gonna do. These leads are also very long. I'm probably either gonna cut them or just like find a way to like hide them in here, but I'm definitely gonna cut them because they are very long. And probably gonna add a couple more things. Definitely needs like a skid plate and some other things, but like we're almost done with this project, boys. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like right about now. All right, turn this thing on. About 74 volts. See if the thing's already falling off. Whatever. All right. I think I'm in like mode 2 or whatever. Bro, it's so much smoother. I forgot like the front brake is like weird. I gotta re-bleed it or something because I let the fluid leak at the bottom of the banjo bolt. I didn't tighten it down enough. So that was on me. Yeah, I don't really got like a helmet on too, so I'm not trying to go too crazy. But yeah, this thing, let's put in like fast mode real quick, the fast mode. Yeah, so I only got like rear brakes right now, and even they're kind of sticky. Other than that, like we're cruising maybe like 25 miles an hour. Hey, this thing's got some pickup. Let's go down here. Found out a couple things. Just doing some overall tests. And this thing can wheelie. You gotta get in like the sweet spot though. I don't know where it's at. Like it comes off the holder. Okay, hold on. Okay. I just wheeled this thing. I gotta figure this thing out. Like you gotta find that little sweet spot on this thing. Like it comes up. You just gotta figure it out a little bit. Oh yeah, these tires are like kind of weird. It's giving me like a weird pull to the right when I wheelie. So definitely duly noted. I'm stable. Yeah, I gotta do a bunch of things like range test, everything. It comes up. See, like, it comes up. It's got no power to come up. I think these tires and every time I try to pull it, like it does some weird stuff. But yeah guys, I've been playing around too much. I'll definitely play around with this a lot more. I'll clean it up a lot more. You see all the mud and rust all over it. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. Stay tuned for more, you know? Got cool stuff like this going on all the time. I can't believe this one actually came to life. Like, look at this thing. But yeah guys, peace.